Hi, chicken. You gonna say Merry Christmas? You can even look at me and say Merry Christmas. It's been a long day, huh? We just wanted to give a special hello and a shout out and say we hope you all enjoyed your day today for Christmas. I know Chicken Wing did. She went and seen the kids and she had a pretty good time. She even got a couple little treats, didn't you? Didn't you, sweetheart? I love you. Love you, love you. Okay, we just didn't want you guys to think we forgot about you on this special day. So, Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye. Or say hi. You gonna say hi? You gonna say anything? All right. Pretty girl. Hi. Hi, honey. We love you. You're so special. Right? You're a special girl. Bye. Merry Christmas. We love you.